welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how can we open a Payoneer account. Let's get started. You should find Payoneer site, click here, just click register it. Also you can change your language and click register. And so Payoneer asks you who are you, freelancer, online seller, service providers. You can choose these ones, each one you want, and freelancer, online seller, or another. Useful for freelancer, just click here and just imagine it. Your income, click less than if you are started. Freelancer and digital asset, get paid by clients or via marketplace. Just click register. Here is some questions. So if you have business and your own, just click yes, and you should add your business legal company name, doing business registered name, and you should choose your business type, limited liability company. Maybe also you should add your company website, but it is optional. Also, you should add your name, your last name, your email address, and also add again your email address and so on. Now we just use no, my business isn't registered, and click here, and I should add name. Click next, and then you should add your country. First your country and country written number. You can add more details. City, I can add city, postal code. Okay, also I should add number. Verification completed, verification code, and also I should add username, password code. And security questions, and you can choose your country, and so ID and nationality, maybe ID, and driver license, passport, you can choose it, and issue and date of expressions is about your bank account for withdrawal, and you or your company, you can use personal or business account. And if you have business account and you want to connect with your business account, you just click here. You should add your bank entry, where your bank entry, and your currency is, you should add your bank name, account holder name, CVV, or your IBAN. So now today we are just click personal account. I just add bank country is Azerbaijan. I add Azerbaijan, and I choose USD, and also I add bank name. I add I agree, just click submit. I already open account. This process is review in process. I just add verification by email and click verify your Payoneer account. Click here and just click sign in here. So just click turn on, because two-step verifications is very important. I add these verifications. And here is your Payoneer account. See here this account, and just click update now. And so some verifications, security questions they have. You should add security questions. Then already everything is perfect. Let's go. However, you should remind your secret questions. Here is your account, your balance, your cash. When you click here, it is your bank account. However, you don't have any bank account because we already add new. Here is new your USD balance. There's your dashboards, get paid, or you can link your payment links. You'll also create invoices. Also, you can check payment requests, batch payment, and so on. Next steps, I will show you how can we connect our link. You can just use here, just click payment links. When you click payment links, just click get start. You can see there, you can use your create a link to suit your business needs, share the links to get paid, track your payment. So just click get start. And you should add your business type and select your category, describe your line of business. Click here. What is your business? Maybe IT service or a professional service. And select the descriptions and the most accurately describe what you do. Accounting, bookkeeping, like me. Where is your DBA and your business name? You should add here. Tell us a bit about how your business operated, and so on. When already submit, you can use your website. Also, you can create invoices. Someone want your service, you can use invoices, and you can add your tax ID, a logo, details, invoices item, payment methods, additional informations, and review. When already click here, you can new invoices. It is very useful. However, I also use just for link for my card. And you can see this my card. If you will click here, and you can get bank account details, request a payment. Just click get bank account details. You can see there some get started, and just get USD and US or everywhere, Azerbaijan, and maybe everywhere, and that's enough. Just click next, and you can see receive USD transfer within the US, receive USD transfer from outside US from supported marketplace only, and just click here. If we click continued and proved information, you should add your information. You should add your visual identifying verification, business detail questionnaire, proof of address. And okay, just click here, visual identifying verifications. Just click yes, click continued. There is, you should add, show your ID with you. Second is business detail questionnaire via your business, and also submit proof your address, and you should add your information here, maybe service or utility bill, bank credit card statement, or account confirmation letter, tax document, because they are your name and your address, and also easy to prove. However, also you can use a service or utility bill and tax document. Just click here, and you can see there an original digital file or scanned copy of the original physical document. in high resolution and clearly visible from edge to edge, not password protected, not written on, modified, cropped, or not a screenshot. So you can also use maximum file size 20 MB, supporting file types, and also click here and you can add here. This is for proof your address. And next is for business questions. Just click here and ask all information there. You can see if you don't have any online stores website, you can continue. And this is about your business and what do you mainly use your Payoneer account. This is why you want to take your Payoneer account. Maybe to receive payment from customers, just click here. Maybe accept credit debit card payment, and select category and the best describe your line of business, just click here. Maybe constructions, digital goods, click here. Or maybe select the description the most accurately describes what. Just add your information there and click submit. This is about our Payoneer account, how we can add, how can we receive new account, request new account. If you don't want to receive new account, just click and use your US account. However, you should submit your documents for pending account. However, your pending account, that's meaning is USD or maybe hasn't approved yet. You should just click and take it. Okay, when you can take your Payoneer account, when you receive payments of at least $100, you can take your Payoneer account physical or digitals.